Alright, got this sorted out. You get the little bumpers that go in here. Alright, I need to get under here, disconnect these plates so I can set up a bolt to come out right here for the shock to mount on. But before I lay on my back and take those nuts off, I need to clean all this stuff. So we will be right back, just like that. Oh, well, that didn't work. Hoping that'll hold. We'll find out. That's so satisfying. Thinking that'll hold. We'll see.
It's standing by itself.
I'm moving my hand.
It looks like a ghost was really.
So I'm trying to mount these shocks. And to be honest, I'm not exactly sure where they're supposed to go as far as compression goes. So my assumption is that when this thing is parked somewhere, fully built, the shocks would be halfway compressed. That way there's half the distance to travel down and then half the distance to travel up for, you know, articulation. I don't know if that's accurate or not. That's just my guess. So I have it taped off. Half is about right here, and then I dropped it down a little bit to try to compensate for what I think will be additional compression once I put the engine and the body and everything on it. There's going to be all this weight on it, so it's going to push it down slightly, and then it will be at halfway. Anyways, based on all that, I wanted to put the bolt that this is going to mount in coming out of right here. Now, when I drilled it, I tried right here first, and then I tried up there, and both times I broke my drill bit. So now I've got two, I don't know if you can see in there, two drill bits. They're going from here, sticking slightly into this one, and are wedged in there now. So, yeah. Trying to figure out how to get those out. What?
Why did you drink that?
Water.
Ew.
Amelia, when I was your age, there's no such thing as bottled water, filtered water. We drank out of the hose when we were playing outside. Oh. Want some?
No.
Want some? Want some?
No. Ew. Tumbleweed Garage.